Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to unlock your Vivo device when it has FRP lock. This is Vivo V20e 5G and this solution will also work in other latest devices which have Android 11. Now first of all we have to turn on talkback by pressing volume up and down key. Keep pressing both keys for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Just turn on. You have to press these keys once more time. Now we are in talkback settings. Just create right gesture like this. Just double tap on while using this app. It will allow you permission. Now use voice commands. Just double tap. Create L gesture again, and you have to click voice command. Just double tap to turn on voice commands. Now voice commands enable. Just click on keyboard and double tap. Type here. You can disable talkback by pressing volume up and down key. Now type here Google. Just search it. Now click here small icon. Now we are in Google. We have to open Chrome. Just click open Chrome. It will automatically open the Chrome. This is very necessary to open Chrome, otherwise this FRP bypass will not work. Now here we have to enter a website which have Android bypass tool. This is pangu.in/FRP. You can see here this link has already many type of application to bypass Android mobiles. Just open this link, go to down, and here we have to download quick shortcut maker. Go to down. These all are FRP bypass tool. We have to download quick shortcut maker 2.4. Now my internet connection is very slow, so that's why it is taking time. Just close this. Go to down. Go to down more. Just tap on download button. You can close this language bar. You can see at the bottom. To enable the download, just click OK. This is a smaller application. It will download in 2 minutes. Also depend on your internet speed. Now download has been completed. Just tap on this application. Go to settings. Allow from this source, because we are going to install application by Chrome. That's why it is asking permission. Just click open. Here we have to type here factory test, factory space test. Just open this, and you have to open third one, engineering mode. Just click on try. Now go to last option and click back to home and initialize to English. Now we have successfully bypassed our Vivo device. You have to factory data reset your device by settings. So thank you for watching.